Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Còn nó nghe thấy cô giáo nói điều bên okay.
Yes. Yes.
Con trả lời to rõ ràng. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, can you see me? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, can you tell me your name? What is your name? Again, my name. My name. Dangmen. Okay. Your name is Dangmen. Dangmen? Am I correct? Dangmen. Yes. How old are you? How old are you? Are you 5, 6, 7, 8? How old are you? I'm you're 8 years old. Okay. You're 8 years old. Okay, Dangman. My name is Teacher Jenny. My name is Teacher Jenny. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say, nice to meet you too. Nice. Come on. Nice. Nice. Two.
Nice to meet you. Chào cô.
Nice to meet you too. Are you shy? Okay, Dongmin, how are you tonight? How are you? Are you happy or sad?
Sad.
You're sad? Happy? Are you happy? Yes?
Yeah.
Say, yes, I'm happy.
I am happy.
Yes, very good. Okay, you're happy. Okay, Dongman, can you tell teacher what is your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Red.
Oh, you red? Okay, just like this. Red?
No. Black.
Huh? What is your favorite color? It's color red. Red, just like this. Red. Yes?
If black.
Black. Black.
Black.
Color black. Black.
Black.
Okay, okay. Color black. Okay, Jangmin, are you ready with our lesson for tonight? Are you ready? Yes? Say yes, I'm ready. Say yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Yes, very good. Yes, I'm ready. Very good. Okay, so tonight we will learn about school supplies. School supplies.
School supply.
Yes, very good. So you are going to listen first, okay? You are going to listen. Okay? So let's listen. Listen, point, and say. Okay, you listen, point, and say.
Page 4, Unit 1, First Day, Lesson 1, School Supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Pen,
2,
2, pencil,
pencil,
3,
3,
eraser,
erasers,
4,
ruler,
ruler,
5,
pencil
Pencil
case,
6,
backpack.
backpack,
Okay, so this time, Jangman, we are going to say it one by one. Okay, so this one here, this one, pen.
Pen.
Yeah, very good. And this one, number 2, pencil.
Pencil.
Yeah, very good. And number 3, Eraser.
Ruler.
This one. Eraser. Number 3. Eraser. Come on.
Eraser.
Eraser. Okay. Number 4. Ruler.
Ruler.
Yes, very good. Number 5. This one. Pencil case.
Pencil case.
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 Yeah, again, let's say it again. Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Very good. Number 6, backpack. Okay, very good. Now it's your turn. It's your turn, young man. Okay, it's your turn. So you are going to read number 1. Number 1. Number 1. This one here.
E pencil. A pen.
Pen. Very good. Number 2.
Pencil.
Pencil. Very good. Number 3. Number 3.
Eraser.
Yes, very good. Eraser. Very good. Number 4. Huh? Again? Number
Ruler.
A ruler. Very good. Number 5.
Pencil case.
Very good. Pencil case. Number 6. Huh? Again? Number 6. Backpack.
Backpack.
Yes, teacher will ask you again. This one, you read this one. Number 6. Yes, backpack. Backpack. Ooh, are you shy? Are you shy? Okay. So look at here. What is the color?
Không biết từ này.
Back,
What is it, Mom?
backpack. Yes.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Yes, backpack. This one here, number 6. Backpack. Okay. So, can you tell me what is the color of a pen? What color? It's
Blue.
very good. It's color blue. How about pencil? What color?
It's
It's yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Yes, just like this one, yellow. This one, yellow. Okay, how about this one? What color? This one.
It's pink.
Pink, very good. How about this one? What color? Its color.
It's
Number 4. Its color. Huh?
It's orange.
Is it orange? Yeah? Is it orange or red?
Orange.
Red. It's color red. Just like this, red. Say red. How about this one? What color? Color?
It's blue.
Very good. Its color blue. Very good. Okay, so here we are going to proceed to letter B. Okay, let's move on to letter B. Okay, listen and number. Okay, letter B, listen and number.
Page 4. B. Listen and number. 1,
Danny, your backpack. Oh, my pencil.
So,
3,
My eraser.
4,
My pen.
Pen.
5,
My ruler.
Ruler. Okay, so this time, Dangman, you are going to tell me what's this or what is the name of the picture. Okay, here. What's the name of this one? What is this? It's a one.
Um,
Come on. This one here, what's this?
What is it? It's pen.
Yes, very good. It's a pen. Okay, pen. Say pen. Yes, very good. How about this one here?
so,
Pencil. Very good. Pencil. How about this one? Huh? What's this one?
eraser,
Yes, very good. Eraser. How about this one? This one. What's this? What's this one? Rule. It's a rule. A ruler. A ruler.
Ano ito mali?
Say a ruler.
ruler,
Yes, and this one? Pencil case. Pencil case. This one,
pencil,
yeah, and this one here? This one? Huh? That one? Back.
bag,
Backpack. Again? Backpack. Yes, very good. Yes, backpack. Okay. You're happy? Are you happy? Okay, so let's go to
Page
letter
5.
C.
C. Listen and say. Then practice.
It's a pen.
Number 1.
It's an eraser. It's. It is.
1,
It's a pen.
It's a pen.
2,
2.
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil.
3,
It's an eraser.
3. It's an eraser.
4,
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler.
5,
It's a pencil case.
It's a pencil case.
6,
It's a backpack.
It's a backpack. Okay, Tangman. Okay, teacher will ask you this one. What is it?
it's
It's a
pen,
very good. It's a pen. Very good. How about this one? What is it? It's a
it's pencil,
very good. It's a pencil. How about number 3? What is it?
and it's an
An
eraser,
Yay! Very good. It's an eraser. How about number 4? Number 4. Number 4? What's that? What is it? Number 4?
ruler,
Very good. It's a ruler. How about number 5?
it's pencil,
Wow, very good. It's a pencil case. How about number 6?
it's backpack,
Yes, very good. It's a backpack. Wow, very good. Okay, let's do the clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Come on. Say follow, teacher. Follow. You follow. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, how about this one? What is this? Or what is it? This one? It's a
It is a ball.
very good. It's a ball. Very good. Okay, how about this one here? Do you know this one?
It a candy.
Wow, very good. It's a candy. Do you like candy? Do you like? Do you like to eat
No.
this one? No? No, you don't like? Okay, okay. Okay, since you don't like candy. Okay, so let's move on to letter D. Okay, let's go to letter D.
Page 5. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice. What is it?
It's a pen. It's. It is.
1,
What is it?
A
It's a
pen.
pen.
2,
2.
What is it? It's a
It's a
backpack.
backpack.
3,
What is
3.
it? It's a pencil case.
It's a pencil case.
4,
What is
4.
it? It's an eraser.
It's an eraser.
5,
What is it? It's a pencil.
A pencil. Very good.
6,
What is it? It's a ruler.
Okay, very good. Okay, come on, Jangmin. Teacher will ask you, what is it? What is
It
it?
is a pencil.
It is a pencil. Again. What is it? It's a. Come here. Teacher can't hear you. What is it? Number 1. It's a.
It's a pen.
Good. It's a pen. How about number 2? Number 2. It's a. Back. Come on. It's a backpack. Say, it's a backpack. I can't hear you. Teacher can't hear you. Okay, number 3. What is it? This one? I can't hear you. Tangman. Teacher can't hear you. I can't hear you. It's a pencil case. Very good. Pencil case. This one here. What is it? What is it? Dangman? Dangman, teacher can't hear you. I can't hear you. Cannot hear you.
Tôi không thể nghe thấy bạn.
Tia, con cứ bấm linh tinh rồi. Con bấm linh tinh đúng không?
Đâu?
Ngồi đây đi. Sorry. Ngồi đi.
It's fine, mommy. Okay, so I will give feedback to Dangman. Is it Dangman, mom? Dangman?
No. Hoàn. Hoàn.
Or?
Hoàn. Minh.
Juan Dangman. Okay. Hi,
Juan.
Juan. Okay. Hi, Juan.
Your name is Hoàn. Đặng
Yes.
Minh Hoàn. Hoàn.
Yes. Dangman Juan. Okay.
Ok. Cô khen con này. Con khen con này. You well tonight. Tối hôm nay con đã học rất tốt. Cảm ơn con đã học. Cảm ơn con đã học về đồ dùng học tập. Con có muốn học của cô tiếp không? Hả? Yeah. Để mẹ trả lời cô nha. Mẹ trả lời cô là ok nhá. Buổi sau lại học dạy con tiếp nhá. Ok. Ok. Um, Juan is teacher is good.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. What's that one? What's that? Is that your toy? Toy.
Nói to vào nào. Fit.
Okay. Taiwan, I just want to tell you that you did well tonight. Thank you for learning school supplies, okay? Don't forget the words such as backpack, okay? Bye.
Bye bye kia. Chào cô đi.
My teacher.
Bye. Thank you, mommy.
Bye bye. Ok cô. À,
Okay, bye.
bye.